Are y'all ready? Tell me when to hit the taser.
Okay, turn the controller on.
Is the taser on? Everything on?
Alright, now taser on.
Taser?
Yep.
Okay, and I just turned that on too.
Alright. Aim it as you choose.
Yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen.
$1.
No.
You know how it fires?
To the sky! Okay, this is our potato cannon turret, which we've been able to control completely with a remote control. It has basically 3 different functions. The first is the taser, which actually fires the cannon, as you can see right there.
Let me get a shot of that. Okay.
And then we have a left, which spins it, and then a right. And then we can raise and lower the angle at which we shoot the potato, as you can see. And up. If you want to explain a little bit, Chase.
Okay, all of this is able to be controlled with this controller using a radio receiver, which is right here, and a motor controller called the Sabertooth 2X25, which allows us to control both this motor and the motor underneath that allows us to rotate it.
Rotate it towards me. There you go. Yeah, good.
We have variable speeds using the controller, which has adjustable joystick, and the way we fire it is we fill the chamber, which is this, with a type of hairspray or flammable gas, aerosol, and we hook up these 2 prongs to here, and we use the taser to create a spark inside.
Go ahead and fire that taser.
Yeah. Long one. Isn't that supposed to be?
Yeah.
Inside.
Okay.
You
Oh
kind
yeah,
of hear the
it's shocking right
little
there.
buzz coming from the inside of the chamber.
Run it again. Why is the cannon jerking when you fire the...
Because when it fires, it picks up the Sabertooth 2X25, the motor controller, picks up a signal from the taser. When we fire the taser, it creates a bit of pulse width modulation, which is what that reads off of, and that's what causes it to jerk when we fire the taser.
How are we going to solve that problem?
We think we might create insulation around the taser, and that would hopefully solve the problem. Is it on?
On?
Is it on?
Yeah.
Alright. Albert, steer it around however you want there.
Well, not that way. Alright, there's civilians. Not towards the cars. Right there. Go for the field goal, Albert.
You see it?
Coming down. Oh, there it goes. Right by the bleachers. First one we've actually seen land.
Okay.
Where you at, Chase?
Ramrod it now. You're doing everything.
Lou, come back. Hurry, the video's about to start.
Seth, you want to go? Alright, check that. That's good. Alright.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5. Close. Oh my God.
All that practice.
Explode. Okay, everybody step back a little bit. And somebody click the main switch.
Main switch is on.
Okay.
Let me get...
Where do we want to fire it to?
There.
That way. Fire.
Right there.
Shoot it.
Hit somebody.
Now.
Sir.
fire yet.
Chase, come on, fire it.
Yeah!
Oh
my God.
I wanted to hear a fire signal or something.
Where'd it go? I didn't even see it.
My heart started beating fast. Y'all standing next to the